Hello everyone, this is Rifat and today we are going to unravel 10 game-changing lessons from the book 100 Million Offers, How to Make Offers So Good People Feel Stupid Saying No by Alex Hormozi. So let's start the video without wasting any time.
Lesson number 1. Understanding offer psychology. The first step to crafting irresistible offers is understanding the psychology behind them. Hormozi emphasizes the importance of recognizing the emotional triggers that drive people's decisions. This includes understanding the fear of missing out, the desire for instant gratification, and the need for social proof.
Lesson number 2. Value perception and positioning. Your offer's success hinges on how effectively you communicate its value. You need to position your offer in a way that resonates with your target audience and clearly demonstrates how it solves their problems or fulfills their desires. Lesson number 3. Leveraging scarcity and urgency. Creating a sense of scarcity and urgency can be a powerful tool for encouraging people to act on your offer. Limited time availability or limited quantity offers can trigger fear of missing out and motivate viewers to make a decision quicker. Lesson number 4. Tailoring offers to customer needs. One-size-fits-all offers rarely work. Instead, you need to personalize your offer to cater to the specific needs and preferences of your target audience. This involves understanding their pain points, desires, and budget constraints. Lesson number 5. Crafting compelling stories around offers. People are drawn to stories. By weaving a compelling narrative around your offer, you can connect with viewers on an emotional level and make your offer more relatable and memorable. Lesson number 6. Overcoming objections proactively. Don't wait for objections to arise. Anticipate them and address them proactively in your presentation. This demonstrates your understanding of your audience's concerns and builds trust. Lesson number 7. Testing and iterating offers. There is no magic formula for creating a perfect offer. The key is to test different versions and iterate based on the data you collect. This allows you to refine your offer and improve its effectiveness over time. Lesson number 8. Creating irresistible bonuses and add-ons. Sweeten the deal by offering bonuses and add-ons that complement your core offer. This increases the perceived value and makes your offering even more attractive to potential customers. Lesson number 9. Building trust and credibility. People are more likely to say yes to someone they trust. Establishing yourself as a credible and trustworthy authority in your field is crucial for closing deals. Last but not least, lesson number 10. Long-term offer strategy and adaptability. Crafting effective offers is a continuous process, not a one-time event. Develop a long-term offer strategy and adapt it based on market trends, customer feedback, and your business goals. So these were the 10 invaluable lessons from the book. If you enjoyed this video, then please hit the like button, comment your thoughts below, and share this video with your friends. For more enriching insights from the impactful books, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.